Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chase on mobile browser, secure access step by step clearly. Open your mobile web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Chase's website. Press the enter key on your keyboard or tap go on your mobile device. Wait for the Chase homepage to load completely. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. On the login page, enter your Chase user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want your device to remember your user ID, you can check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, tap on the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load, which may take a few moments. If your login information is correct, you will gain access to your Chase account. If you encounter any errors, carefully read the message provided. If needed, you can click on Forgot User ID or Password for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your user ID or password if necessary. Once logged in, you can navigate through your account options securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.